Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to install BK Bello Build on Kodi. Whether you're into movies, TV shows, or live sports, Hulu has something for everyone. Let's get started. Step 1. Prerequisites. Ensure Kodi is installed on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for downloading. Step 2. Enable unknown sources. Open Kodi on your device. Navigate to Settings, System. Add add-ons. Enable unknown sources to allow installation of third-party add-ins. Step 3. Add source to File Manager. Go back to the Kodi home screen. Select Settings gear icon in File Manager, add source. Enter the repository URL for BK Bello Build, typically a URL like example.com/repo. Give it a name, for example, BK Bello Repo, and click OK. Step 4. Install BK Bello Build repository. Return to the Kodi home screen. Select Add-ons and Package Installer, open box icon, install from zip file. Choose the repository you added, for example, BK Bello Repo. Select the repository zip file to install. Wait for the notification. Step 5. Install BK Bello Build. Now, go to Install from Repository. Find and select BK Bello Repository. Navigate to Program Add-ons BK Bello Wizard. Click Install and wait for the add-on enabled notification. Conclusion. Alright, that's it. Recap the steps to install BK Bello Build on Kodi. Invite viewers to explore and enjoy the features of BK Bello Build. Encourage them to like, comment, and subscribe for more Kodi tutorials. Thank viewers for watching.